The 2026 iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be a total departure from the iterative updates of the past, focusing on a unified design that hides its most advanced tech behind the glass. The headline change is the transition to under-display Face ID, which leverages cutting-edge Metalenses, ultra-thin flat lenses that use surface etchings to guide infrared light through the OLED pixels without distortion. This allows Apple to shrink the dynamic island into a tiny, corner-mounted hole inactive area, HIAA punch hole for the selfie camera, offering the most immersive screen real estate since the iPhone X. Under the hood, the A20 Pro chip will be the world's first consumer processor built on TSMC's 2 nanometers and 2-node. Beyond the shrink in size, Apple is reportedly adopting wafer-level multi-chip module, WMCM, packaging. Unlike current designs where components sit side by side, WMCM stacks the CPU, GPU, and RAM into a single vertical package, slashing latency and enabling Apple Intelligence to process data at speeds that were previously only possible on Mac Studio hardware. This efficiency is paired with a steel case battery and a slightly thicker frame to accommodate a massive capacity increase, potentially pushing the Pro Max model past the 240G weight mark to prioritize multi-day endurance over thinness. Connectivity is also going all Apple with the debut of the C2 custom modem. This isn't just about faster 5G. It's about satellite-to-phone 5G, a feature rumored to be developed with Starlink to provide full web browsing and data access in areas without a single cell tower. Visually, the device will be defined by a new unified rear glass, likely a semi-transparent or frosted ceramic shield, in a palette of coffee brown, deep burgundy, and a reformulated soft purple. The camera system is perhaps the most technical leap. Apple is expected to move away from its long-term partnership with Sony to use Samsung-made sensors built in a new $19 billion facility in Texas. This sensor will feature a mechanical variable aperture, a motorized iris, allowing the lens to physically shift between multiple f-stops. This means that instead of using software to blur a background, the iPhone 18 Pro will use real optics to create a natural depth of field, while physically closing the lens in bright light to preserve skin tones and highlight detail that digital sensors usually blow out.